Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add advanced animations for your WordPress website using the Elementor plugin. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first place that you guys would want to be in is the WordPress dashboard, which is where I'm at right now. And you want to make sure that you're logged in as an administrator. And the idea here is we want to get access to the site and text editor for our website. So there are a couple ways to get there. Now, if you guys are on the homepage like me, you can simply click on Edit Site right here under Quick Links, and this will take you to your site editor or your site builder. Or you could hover over the Plugins tab, click on Install Plugins, and this should take you to a list of all of the plugins that you have installed, obviously. And from there, you want to select Elementor, and the same goes for Appearance. So if you go to Appearance and hover over that tab right there, and go to Elementor Header and Footer Builder, then it should take you to the same page. And the page that I'm talking about is this one right here. So this is the site editor that I was talking about. Now, the thing about this is, actually, let me remove this widget here. All right. So the thing about this is, when we go to add a custom animation to our website, we're looking to get access to additional or custom CSS. So this will ask us to input an embedded line of code that'll basically embed or import a video of any kind onto your website. So this can act as a backdrop or as an added element to maybe supplement the website and your content and whatnot. So to do it is quite simple. And let's actually start from the beginning here. So the thing is, if you want to do the ones that are built into Elementor, you absolutely can. The only catch with it is that it's paid. Now, to show you guys what I mean, here's the text editor for WordPress. Now, let's say that I want to select an element under the homepage. So let's say I want to add a video instead of this picture right here. So I'll click on container. Actually, let's click on the drop down, or we can click on the text editor, or basically like click on any area that we want to edit or embed a an animation to. So let's say that I want to do it for this one. You would want to click on the advanced tab on the very far right of the menu right here, and you'll see right away that there's an option that says custom CSS. Now here's the catch: if you guys click on this, you'll see that it'll ask you to upgrade to actually add a custom CSS. Now, the thing that Elementor doesn't tell you is that the custom CSS are actually pre-built animations that you can add to your website. So stuff like fade in, slide in, pop in, or teleport, all that, all those classic animations that you can add to any element. But there is a workaround it, and that is using the custom additional CSS editor. And to show you guys what I mean, here's what it looks like. So this one is actually the site editor for WordPress with Elementor in the mix. So if you go to click on additional CSS, like so, you can see that you have full access to this tab right here, where we can add a basic embed code for anything that we want. So it can be any video, any transition, any slide or whatever. So let's pretend that we want to add like a GIF to our website, maybe to make it funny or whatever. So what we can do is first extract the embed code or link, or I should say line of code, to import into this box right here. So if I were to go to Imgur, for example, actually before that, this is what it looks like if you guys went to buy the premium package for Elementor. So it's basically this, and then you'll see that there are a custom set of transitions or effects that you can add. So there's in and out, as you can see here, there's fade, ease, whatever. So it's basically the same deal, but this one is more flexible, I should say. So let's say I have this GIF right here from Imgur. So if I were to copy it like so, click on embed, this new window will pop up, and then we'll copy the link for it, for example. Now I'm not sure if this will work. It depends on the support, but when we paste this here, just like that, and click on save changes, I wonder where this will actually pop up. Okay, so markup is not allowed in CSS, But it's pretty much the same deal. You guys get to add this animation or GIF to whatever section of the website that you want to add it to. So yeah, that's a video. So hopefully it helped you guys out, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.